Hello friends, how are you? Hope you are doing well. So today I will show you how to install MySQL Workbench in Windows 11. So in order to install MySQL in Windows 11, you need to go to Google and type MySQL download. So it will redirect you to the first page. So here you can see various options are there. So I'll click on first one, MySQL download, and once I click it, I will be redirected to the MySQL official website. So go down and click on this MySQL community download because it is been taken over by Oracle. So in this case you need to click on MySQL installer for Windows. Since I'm installing for Windows, so it is for Windows. Here I will double click for the installation. Let us wait for a while. Great. So it has shown me the pop-up windows. It is asking me what to install. Server only, client only, install all included MySQL products, and custom. Yeah, so I will install the third one, that is a full installation. Then I will go to next. So this full installation will get all the things in your system called server, workbench, shell, router, and documentation. Yeah, so you just need to hit execute. So once you click on execute, it will take a couple of minutes to install it. So ideally it will take 4 to 5 minutes, so let us wait for it. Great. So I have installed MySQL server and workbench. So I will go to the next. Great. Now I need to configure. So it will ask you some configuration. So just hit next. Okay. Use password protection. So just hit next. Here you need to give the password, which is quite essential. So just give the name which is quite familiar to you. Okay, so I will give the name which is very easy for me to remember. Okay, so I have given the name and just hit next and execute. So you just need to hit the next button, that's all. And this connect to server, it will ask you to give the password. So just give the password which you have earlier. I have given the password, so I have given the same password. So it is just checking whether the MySQL server is getting configured correctly or not. So it is configured. Now I will hit next and we'll click on finished. So it shows my SQL is successfully installed. Now here you can see my SQL is getting started. So this is a shell, MySQL Workbench shell. Now if you want to open the GUI, then I will search in my system and I will click on MySQL Workbench. I will search MySQL. Yes, MySQL. Yeah, so in the first you can see MySQL Workbench is being shown. So I will pin to my task bar and menu bar. Yeah, I have successfully pinned and I will start it as an administrator. Over there MySQL connection, so I will click on this root just you need to do a double click. So it will ask you for the password. This is the same password which was saved by you earlier. So I will give the same password. Great. So now MySQL will start in MySQL Workbench. So yeah, this is the basic window of MySQL Workbench. So let me try for sample queries, and here I will prefer a big display. So I will use first of all create database. Yeah. So before that I will show you two things. Here you can see the administration, and second is the schema. So administration is like the server side. Okay, if you want to import or if you want to show see your database dashboard and any thing related to server. And second is regarding the database. Now these are the three by default database which come with MySQL full installation version. Yeah, so these are database. See, in your database option you can see this option would be in kind of cylindrical drum, vertical drum. Okay, if you click on it you will see the different sections like a table, view, store, procedures and functions. Likewise it would be the same for these three. Yeah, so these three are the database. Now if you want to create any database, okay, what you can do, you can just click on any of the database, and here give the name create database sample database. I have given the random name and then delimiter. So it will create a database for me. Yeah, just then hit this arrow button, this lightning spark button. So here in the downside you can see the message, pop-up message, whether it is successful or not. If you see the green tick mark, then it is successfully created. Okay, now you just need to do the refresh button from this schema option. So you can see this new database has been popped up. Yeah, so you can see this is your database. So this is a simple way to install MySQL Workbench in Windows 11. Thank you very much for watching this video.